in this question we have to find first of all less than ogive, more than ogive from the group data, and then from the less than and more than ogive we have to find median. So, it is written clearly, find median graphically. So, I have just written a question in the format for the table also. Okay. So, let this be the solution part for the starting from the table. Now, here we are having class intervals from 0 to 10, 10, 20, 20, 30 up to 60. So, frequency is given. Now, cumulative frequency is for less than. Okay. So, starting from the top 8, 20, 42, 71, 93 and 100. This is also 100. So, we goes for the right track. Now, cumulative frequency for more than. So, for more than we are going to start from the bottom. So, from here from the bottom it is 7. So, we will be writing first 7 here, this bottom, then 29, 29 plus 29, 58, 80, 92, 100. Okay. Now, coordinates for the less than ogive, we are having now, it will be 10 with 8, 20, 20, 30, 42, 40, 71, 50, 93 and 60 with 100. Now, for more than, the coordinates will be from the lower limit. Now, it will start from 0. So, 0 to 100. After 0 we are having 10. Now, 10, 92, 20 with 80, 30 with 58, 40 with 29 and 50 with 7. Is it clear? Now, first thing is to plot the points on the graph sheet. So, I have made here a graph, x axis, y axis. Now, along x axis is equal to 10 units, that is for the class intervals. Okay. One centimeter along y axis is equal to 10 units, that is for the frequency. So, here we will be having cumulative frequency. You can rotate your sheet, so write in a nice manner. Okay. So, now let us start plotting. First of all, for less than, 10, 8, we are having 10, 8, 20, 20, 30 with 42, 40 with 71, then 50 with 93, and 60 with 100. join this free handed. Okay. So, this becomes less than ogive. Zero to 100, 10 to 92, 20 with 80, 30 58, 40 90, 40 29, sorry, and 50 with 7. Okay. So, we are having this one. Now, this is more than ogive. Next step is to just write it the coordinates. Okay. So, for it is 10, 8, 20 20, 30 42, then 40 71, 50 93, and 60 100. Similarly, this becomes 0 100, 10 92, 20 80, 30 58, it was here, 40 29, and 57. Okay. Now, let this point be P. Now, P be the point of intersection of less than ogive and more than ogive. Then draw PM perpendicular x axis. Is it clear? So, this point is M. M is equal to median, and by inspection here median goes for, this is the answer.